world driven by innovation and sustainability, staying ahead in the industry is vital. Food Engineering presents the 2024 Food Automation and Manufacturing Symposium and Expo. At FA&M, we bring you the latest trends, best practices, and cutting-edge technologies in sustainability, food plant construction, natural resource management, and packaging. It's not just about learning, it's about connecting. Forge partnerships, expand your network, and unlock endless possibilities with professionals, leaders, and experts from the food and beverage manufacturing sector. Stay one step ahead in ever-evolving industries. FA&M keeps you updated on trends, regulations, and tech advancements that could impact your business. Learn about lead construction and sustainable practices, reducing environmental impact, cutting costs, and paving the way for a greener future. Optimize resource management, reduce emissions, and save money with insights into alternative energy sources like solar and wind. Packaging matters. Discover compostable materials and cutting-edge packaging solutions that align with consumer preferences and environmental concerns. Streamline your operations. Learn about automated packaging and production systems to enhance efficiency and product delivery. Invest in yourself. FA&M is your path to professional development, enhancing skills, and gaining a competitive edge. Be inspired. Our thought leaders and innovators share stories and insights to spark creativity and fresh approaches to business challenges. Showcase your expertise. If you've got knowledge or products in these fields, become a speaker, exhibitor, or sponsor to gain visibility and attract potential partners. The Food and Beverage Manufacturing Conference, where knowledge, opportunity, and innovation converge. Join us and take your industry presence to the next level. At FA&M, we are shaping the future of food and beverage manufacturing. See you there.